Question. A food packet is dropped from an aeroplane moving with a speed of 360 km per hour in a horizontal direction from a height of 500 meter. Find its time of descent. The horizontal between the point at which the food packet reached the ground from the point above which it was dropped. Answer is u is equal to 360 km per hour. This kilometer per hour is converted to meter per second. 360 into 5 by 18. 18 ones are 18 20s are. So 20 into 5, that is 100 meter per second. U is the 100 meter per second. Height is h is equal to 500 meter. Acceleration due to gravity g is equal to 10 meter per second square. S is equal to ut plus half at square. U is 0. S is equal to h. H is equal to half gt square. T square is equal to 2h by g. T is equal to root over 2h by g. T is equal to root over 2 into multiply. 2 into 500 by 10. 0, 0 get cancelled. So 2 into 50 root 100. 10 seconds. So second, x is equal to ut. U is 360, conversion to meter per second 100. X is equal to ut 100 into 10, that is 1000 meter. X is equal to 1000 meter.